Good morning students, how are you all? I hope so that you will be fine. Today I am going to give you the lecture of subject Maths class 7 and week number 5. In this week we will solve the exercise 2C question number 9 to 11. Question number 9, show that minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 15 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 15 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. Question number 9 में हम we will do the operations on rational number, and here are the operations on rational number, and here we will discuss the multiplication of rational number. And in this equation there are two sides. We will consider this side the left hand side and consider this side the right hand side. And in this question we will show that the answer of both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, should be equal. So we start on the left hand side. Minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 15 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 15 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. Solution. In any question, if there are brackets, then we solve the bracket first, then we do the remaining operations. And here the bracket is minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 15. Because there is the sign of multiplication, so we cancel the rational numbers. Here minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 15 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. Here we can cancel 4 and 8 and 5 and 15. How? 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, and 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Here the remainders are minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 is equal to. Now we will solve the bracket first. Minus 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 3. When we multiply the rational numbers, here the numerator will multiply with the numerator and denominator will be multiplied with the denominator. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to, and here is the sign of negative and here is the positive. And when we multiply in algebra, the plus and minus will multiply, and plus minus is equal to minus. 1 ones are 1 by 2 threes are 6 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. Minus 1 by 6 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. And here I will tell you about that in multiplication, in algebra multiplication, plus minus is equal to minus, plus plus is equal to plus, and minus minus is also equal to plus. Here minus 1 by 6 multiplied by minus 3 by 4, minus minus will become plus, and 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. It will be cancelled. Here minus minus plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 multiplied by 1, 1 by 4 twos are 8. Here the answer of left hand side is equal to 1 by 8. Now we take the right hand side. Right hand side we will again solve the bracket first, and then we multiply with the number outside the bracket. Minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 15 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. Here 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. They will be cancelled. Minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 1 by 5 multiplied by minus 1 by 1. Again we will solve the bracket first. Minus 5 by 8 multiplied by, this is the, here the sign is plus, plus minus will become minus, 1 ones are numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominator. 1 ones are 1 and 5 ones are 5. That is minus 5 by 8 multiplied by minus 1 by 5. Here again minus 5 by 8 multiplied by minus 1 by 5. Minus minus will become plus, and numerator 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 8 multiplied by minus 1 by 1. Minus minus plus 1 ones are 1 divided by 8 multiplied by 1, 1 by 8. Right hand side also gives 1 by 8. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, and we have shown that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. Into 4 by 5 plus minus 8 by 15 is equal to minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 8 by 15. In previous question number 9, we have done the operation on rational number, but in that question there was only multiplication of rational numbers. But here is the addition included, addition and subtraction. Here is again, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side, and we have to show that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. First we will take the left hand side, minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 plus minus 8 by 15 is equal to minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 8 by 15. Here again, first when in a question there are brackets, we will solve the bracket first, then the answer will be multiplied by minus 2 by 3. Here is no any sign. This shows that minus 2 by 3 is going to be multiplied with 4 by 5 plus minus 8 by 15. Minus 2 by 3. Here we cannot cancel the rational number, because there is the sign of addition and subtraction included. If there is a sign of multiplication, we can cancel, but when there is a sign of addition, we have to same the denominator first, then we will proceed the further. 4 by 5 plus minus is equal to minus 8 by 15. Minus 2 by 3. We will not cancel 4 by 5 minus 8 by 15 because there is a sign of minus. We have to same the numerator. First of all, we will same the numerator, or we will take the LCM 5 and 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 ones are 5. So the LCM will be 3 5s are 15. Here the LCM will be 15, and now 5. How the 15 is divided by 5? 5 3s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. Minus 15 ones are 15 and 1 8s are 8. Minus 2 by 3 into 12 minus 8, 4 by 15. There is no sign between two brackets, then they will be multiplied. 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 15. Numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominator. And here is the sign of minus and here is the sign of plus. So minus plus will become minus. 4 2s are 8 by 15 threes are 45. So the left hand side gives us minus 8 by 45. Now we will solve the right hand side. In right hand side there are also two brackets. There are two brackets. We will solve the first bracket separately and second bracket separately. Then we will add the both of the answer. Yes, because there is a sign of multiply. So we will multiply numerator with numerator or denominator with denominator, or we can cancel the rational number also. But here cancellation is not possible. So minus 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 4 by 5. Here is the sign of minus and here is the sign of plus. So minus plus minus gives minus. So 4 2s are 8 by 5 3s are 15 plus. Here is also the sign of multiplication. So we will multiply these two rational numbers. Okay, minus gives plus. It will become plus, and 8 2s are 16 by 15 3s are 45. Minus 8 by 15 plus 16 by 45. Here is again the sign of addition, so we cannot simplify without taking the LCM or by making the denominator same. 15 and 45, we will take the LCM of 15 and 45. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So the LCM will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. LCM will be 45. Now we will divide 45 by 15. 15 3s are 45 and we will multiply 3 with minus 8. 3 multiplied by minus 8 gives minus 24 plus 45 1s are 45, so 16 1s are 16 is equal to minus plus. Though two different sign will subtract each other, minus 24 plus 16, it will gives us minus 8 by 45. So left hand side gives us minus 8 by 45 and right hand side also gives us minus 8 by 45. So we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. And we have shown that minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 plus minus 8 by 15 is equal to minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 8 by 15. Here the left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Simplify. Here are the numbers, and in question number 10 we have done addition and multiplication of rational numbers, and in question number 11 we will do the division of rational numbers. Here the third part is minus 3 by 8 divided by into minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 8 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. Here first of all, when we will simplify this question, we will change the division sign into multiplication. Then when we change the sign division into multiplication, the next rational number will become the reciprocal of itself. Means when we change minus 3 by 8, when we change the division sign into multiplication, it will make the next number the reciprocal of itself. Minus reciprocal of minus 3 by 4 will become the 4 by 3. This is the reciprocal of 3 by 4. Then next we will remove the brackets. Minus 3 by 8 multiplied by minus 4 by 3. Here there is the sign of multiplication, so we can cancel the rational numbers also. If there is the sign of addition or subtraction, we will not cancel the rational numbers because there is sign of multiplication, so we cancel the rational numbers. minus 3 by 8 multiplied by minus 4 by 3. Here minus and minus two rational numbers of negative sign are going to be multiplied. So minus minus gives us plus, and we can also cancel the 3 and 3 and 4 and 8. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It will give us the minus 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 1. Two rational expressions are going to be multiplied. So numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. Minus minus will become plus, and 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 and 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. This is the simplification of rational numbers when there is a sign of division. Minus 6 by 15 divided by 4 by 35. Here we are also going to be divide the rational expression. Same process, when there is a sign of division, we will change it into multiplication sign first. So minus 6 by 15 multiplied by, when there is a sign of multiply instead of sign of division, then it will give the reciprocal 35 by 4. Here is the sign of negative and here is the sign of plus. So minus plus it will become plus, and cancelling is also possible here. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 5 threes are 15 and 5 sevens are 35. Minus 3 by 3 multiplied by 7 by 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, it will be cancelled. Minus 1 by 1 multiplied by 7 by 2. It will give 7 ones are 7 minus 1 twos are 2, minus 7 by 2. So our exercise 2C is now completed. Your homework is to do the practice of question number 9, 10 and 11 again and again in your notebooks.